Hey, Emily, what's up? You seem a bit worried.
I'm struggling with this assignment. The deadline is approaching, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to complete it on time.
Oh no, that's not good. Have you considered seeking some help?
Well, I've thought about it, but I don't really know where to go. Plus, I don't want to risk getting caught for plagiarism or anything like that.
I understand your concerns. But there's a great platform I recently came across called MakeAssignmentHelp. They provide online assistance for students and ensure high quality and original work.
Really? That sounds interesting. Tell me more about it.
MakeAssignmentHelp connects you with professional writers who are experts in various subjects. They can guide you through the assignment, offer insights, and help you understand the concepts better.
That's a relief. Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate your help. Let's get started with the assignment and reach out to MakeAssignmentHelp.
Thank you for watching. Contact us at www.makeassignmenthelp.com.